Hey, welcome back. We're at Portrait 6 and we're just doing our Canva image prep. You're probably a pro by now, and I'm still going to walk you through it just in case you started here first. Again, the full version of how to do this is before Portrait Demonstration 1. Portrait 1 demonstration. First thing we do is center our image and duplicate it. Next, I'm going to grab a square and kind of shape it down to a square, rectangle, whatever you feel like. And I'm just going to copy and paste it. So I have 4 or 5 different versions, and I'm going to use the colors that Canva has sourced for me already. I select all of them by dragging and copying and pasting, putting it right above, and finding, going up to find the true-ish local color. From here, we're going to copy and paste the hex code into Google, where we'll find our RGB code. And this golden website will let us know what paints we can expect to purchase or get close to. So for this one in particular, I knew I had a pyrrole orange already, and I knew it didn't have to be exact. So I decided to just stick with the pyrrole orange and not mix it with the yellow. And I was happy with that. So what I did was just I went back, desaturated it, and now I'm printing. Okay, that's it.